Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be a review video. So as you guys know, I love doing affordable makeup shopping and reviews with you guys. So I have recently shared my haul with you. So in that I have shared a very interesting product. So this is the Mars Another Day Another Slave foundation. So today I'm going to review this and tell you everything about it. So if you're interested, then please continue watching. Before that, like, share, subscribe. So yeah, let's talk about the packaging. The best part is the packaging. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a frosted glass packaging and it looks very cute, I must say. So this packaging is seen mostly in high-end brands, but Mars has tried their level best. So packaging gets a thumbs up from our side. So now next point is the price. So the price of this product is 150 rupees. Now after listening to 150 rupees, you must not be having any high expectations. I know I also don't have any high expectations as such, but I wanted to try it out so that if by chance this is a good product, then we will get a gem under 150. And definitely for my college going girls out there, this is a must buy if it's a good product. So yeah, let's see whether this product is worth it or no. So I have my Damn Beauty sponge here. So let's get started with the application and we'll talk further about it. So this is how the bottle looks like, as I told you. So it comes with a dropper, but the consistency is very thick. Like it does not fit into the dropper. Like it's very thick consistency, as you can see. Let me show you the shade quickly. This is the shade. So it seems very light to my skin tone, but I'll try somehow to blend it and see. So this is how it looks like. So shade number is 120 and the MRP, as I told you, is 150, and you have 3 years of shelf life. The packaging is very fancy, I must say, the cardboard and all. Nothing else is written on the packaging. Like you get basics, how to use ingredients and all, and mainly it's a water based foundation, it's not an oil based. So water based does not give that much coverage, we know, so we'll not keep high expectations. So half face will apply and half face will not apply. See the difference? So let's get started. So I'll just apply it in dotted motions. So this packaging can be a bit messy, like it's very messy already. So I'll not apply a lot in the one go. I'll just like try to build it up. Yes, it's very light. I have ordered a wrong shade. It got blended very well, as you can see. Like within seconds it did go into the skin. It's definitely lighter for me, I agree. The shade is not matching, but it is like a yellow undertone shade, but still it's not matching that well. So I'll just like try to blend it as much as I can. So clearly there is a difference. There is slight coverage, I'll say. There is not much coverage at all. You cannot expect like high coverage from here, but it has somewhat like covered up a few spots that I had. So for that, it's a good foundation. So I can say that it's a daily wear foundation, not a full coverage. And I'll just blend it here and show you. It gets blended really quick. It does like give some amount of coverage, as you can see. So it can be used. Like 150 is not a bad price, and if you're like trying like to make it a little bit darker, then you can add a few drops of your lipstick so then it will be dark. It's not the best foundation, but it's not the worst. Like there are foundations that give no coverage at all, but this gives some coverage. Bottle is good, like price is good, and it's from a good brand. Like Mars has come up with a lot of new products recently, and all of them are great. I have tried a few, so you can definitely give it a try. Like this is how the coverage looks like. As you can see, like there is some sheen in it. It is a glossy finish, it's not a matte finish. I am super dry, so you can already, if you see glow, means it is a glossy finish foundation. And it is easily available online as well as offline. So I have bought it from Amazon for 110 or 120. So in 120 I believe it's a good foundation. It gets a thumbs up from my side. You can definitely try it out, and the shade you can choose accordingly. Don't do the mistake that I did. So just choose your shade wisely. That's it. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.